Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I did this hairstyle here, but I'm also going to be showing you in detail how to actually cornrow, because a lot of people have been asking us how to cornrow, especially how to do like small cornrows. So I took the opportunity to do this hairstyle and take advantage of the fact that they're cornrows to show you guys how to do cornrows. And I hope you guys find it helpful. It's actually very hard to explain how to do cornrows. It's hard because to me it's kind of just like I just do it without thinking about it, so it's quite hard to explain it. When I've had to explain it, I felt like I was overthinking it and then I wasn't doing it properly. But anyway, I hope you guys managed to understand what I mean, or what I'm trying to say, or what I'm trying to do. And just keep in mind, I'm not a professional at all. I'm not a professional hairdresser or a cornrow or a professional braider. So mine aren't going to be perfect, my lines are not going to be perfect, my cornrows aren't going to be perfect, but it's all good because I mean, yeah, it's all good because who cares if it's not perfect or what. So this is how it looks like. And so I purposely did 2 cornrows on the side and 3 cornrows on each side of my head and 2 going back. Yeah, so I did it so that you guys could just see how to do cornrows in different directions as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Bye!
Okay, starting off on old wash, I'm gonna split my hair just to make it more pliable, and then I'm gonna try to fix that middle parting a little bit. Then I'm gonna create 2 small sections on either side of my part, like so, and yeah. And then I detangle my hair to make sure that there are no knots. So when you start off making a cornrow, you section off a little bit, and then you make a braid, or you braid your hair once. So as I braid my hair, I'm gonna start adding hair from the hair that's left outside. So this is like the very slow version, beginner friendly. So I remove some hair and then I add it to that one section there that you can see, and then I continue to braid the hair. Then I remove a little bit of hair, add it to the section, then I continue to braid the hair again. And then I do that again. Add a bit of hair, braid the section. Add a bit of hair, braid the section. And then I continue doing that until I have no more hair to add. And once you have no more hair to add, you just braid all the way down. So I actually redid this braid and the one beside it because it wasn't tight enough. Usually I don't like to do my braids too tight, but I usually do it on hair that's stretched. But because my hair was quite shrunken, I actually had to go and redo it and make it tighter. So yeah, I'm just like coiling my end because I don't actually like braiding my hair all the way to the end. It's just I feel like it creates knots, or it creates a favorable environment for knots. Okay, on the other side I'm just going to show you how to do the same thing, but I'm going to use a faster method. Okay, so I start off by braiding once, and then as you can see, this finger my index finger kind of hoops around the hair that I want to grab, and it joins it to the hair that I'm gonna braid. So then you see it hoops around it, and at the same time I use my other fingers, sometimes my thumb, to separate it. And while that's happening, I hoop with my other index finger. I hoop with my other index finger to collect the hair. Wow, this is so complicated to explain. I'm just lost in my own words. Okay, so yeah, so hoop, grab and braid, hoop, grab and braid. And once we reach the end, we're just gonna braid normally. Now for the side cornrows, I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm just gonna kind of show you a different technique that I use sometimes. So starting off as if we're gonna make one single braid, I grab, instead of doing the hooking method, I actually like part like a straight line, or as straight as I possibly can, and then I add that to the middle of my hair, and then I braid it. So I part a straight line, add it to the middle, and then I braid once. Part, add it to the middle, and then braid once. Part, add it to the middle, and then braid once. Part, add it to the middle, and then braid another time. Okay, so let me show you guys that one more time on this last section. So now this is the faster version of the one that I just showed you previously. Instead of parting it with my other hand, I'm just also using the hook method, where I hook and I part like off a straight line and I add it to the middle section. So I hook, part a straight line, and then I add it and braid. Hook, a straight line, add it and braid. Hook, add it and braid, and yes, that's pretty much what I do. And actually I just use whichever method, like whenever. I don't actually think too much about it, like I just do it, and before I know it I'm just using, you know, one of the methods. I really had to think about it a lot when I was making this video to show you guys, and I realized that I actually have different methods of doing cornrows, so yeah. But I'm pretty sure everyone has their own way of doing cornrows, so I'm not the only, I mean, I'm sure these are not the only techniques, and they might not be the best techniques, but yeah, this is just how I do it. So this is the last cornrow that I recorded. My camera actually died after, or sometime during this cornrow, but I pretty much did the same thing that I did for my other side cornrows. And this is how my hair looked like, and here you can see my ends look nice and coiled up. Now my hair looks super weird and dented because of these clips, and I'm not happy, but I refreshed it afterwards anyways. And then to elevate this hairstyle, I added some beads. And then I went and refreshed my hair, and then I did a little bit of my baby hair, so a little bit of my edges. And this is the style. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for all of your support, and we hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook and YouTube. You can find the details in the description below, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.